A digital guardian. In today's interconnected digital world, safeguarding online privacy has never been as crucial as it is now. The emergence of virtual private network (VPN) technology empowers both individuals and organizations to enhance their network security. In this era rife with data breaches and online threats, the significance of the term VPN is increasingly pronounced. A VPN is a technology that establishes a secure, encrypted connection over the Internet. In an age marked by rampant data leaks and network threats, protecting your online privacy is of paramount importance. A VPN provides you with the necessary defense, shielding your personal information, browsing history, and sensitive data from prying eyes, hackers, and even Internet Service Providers, ISPs. At the core of every VPN is encryption, an intricate process that transforms your data into an unreadable format. When you connect to a VPN server, your device encrypts the data before it traverses the Internet. This encryption technology poses a formidable challenge to anyone attempting to intercept or decipher your online communications. A VPN creates a secure tunnel through which your data travels. This tunnel keeps your information shielded from the open Internet, ensuring the confidentiality and security of your data. It's akin to having a private express lane on a bustling highway. Your IP address serves as your digital fingerprint, revealing your location and identity. A VPN acts as your secret tunnel to the Internet. It's a technology that allows you to connect to the Internet securely and privately. When you use a VPN, your data is encrypted and sent through a secure server, making it nearly impossible for anyone to monitor your online activities. A VPN can be compared to an online invisibility cloak. It reroutes your network connection to a server located elsewhere, concealing your IP address and making it appear as though you're browsing the web from the location of that server. This not only enhances your network security but also grants you access to content that might be restricted in your region. Types of VPNs. VPN technology has evolved over the years, resulting in various types of VPNs to cater to different needs. Remote Access VPN. These VPNs are commonly used by individuals and remote workers to access their organization's network securely. They allow users to connect to their workplace's resources from anywhere in the world. Site-to-site VPN. Site-to-site VPNs are frequently used by companies with several offices to safely connect their scattered locations. This makes data sharing and communication possible. Mobile VPN. Mobile VPNs are designed for smartphones and tablets. They ensure a secure connection, even when using public Wi-Fi networks, making them ideal for users on the go. SSL VPN. SSL VPNs use the Secure Sockets Layer (SSL) protocol to establish a secure connection between your device and the VPN server. They are commonly used for remote access to web applications. Benefits of using a VPN. Enhanced privacy. By encrypting your online activities, VPNs shield your data from surveillance and tracking, preserving your digital privacy. Bypassing geo-restrictions. VPNs allow you to access content and websites that may be restricted in your region. You can virtually change your location by connecting to servers in different countries. Security on public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi networks are often insecure, making them a hotspot for cyber attacks. VPNs encrypt your connection, making it safe to use public Wi-Fi without risking your data. Anonymity. By hiding your IP address, VPNs make it harder to identify you from your online activity. This anonymity gives yet another level of protection. Secure file sharing. For businesses, VPNs facilitate secure file sharing and communication among employees, ensuring the confidentiality of sensitive information. In the following videos, we'll delve into a selection of free VPN options, including Proton VPN, urban VPN, and more.